This is Matt, and this will be a very quick video on how to change the voice on Claude. So I'm logged into my Claude account. As you see, it says back at it Matthew, my Claude Anthropic account. Now, to actually change the voice when we do any kind of reading out of the text and stuff here, what you will do is you come down to the bottom and you'll see the profile picture of yourself or your initial. In my case, I've got the M here. So we click on that and then we click on settings here. Now we have this kind of main settings appears right here. And what we are looking for is we're going to scroll down right down to the bottom, right near the bottom even, and we see the voice settings are here. So we've got voice right here. Now, first of all, we can change the language. So mine is currently set to English. We have obviously a whole bunch of different languages here that we can use with Claude. So if you want to change the language, that is the option there. Style, so we've got battery here. So we can, there we go. So we've got this British guy talking there. So that one is described as battery. We also have airy. I'll give you a little sample of each. Hopefully you can hear them. I'll just jack the sound up a little bit. So we've got battery, we've got airy, mellow, glassy, and rounded. So let's check out airy.
Amid the mists and coldest frosts, with stoutest wrists and loudest boasts, he thrusts his...
So that's airy. Mellow. Okay, so again, nursery rhymes read to us now. That was mellow. Glassy.
If practice makes perfect and perfect needs practice, I'm perfectly practiced and...
Okay, so hopefully the microphone's picking these up as the sound's coming out quite far away from the microphone, but now we've got rounded.
She sells some seashells by the seashore. The shell...
So that was rounded. So either way, you can check these out for yourself, obviously on your own Claude, but that is the actual voice itself. And then the speed, mine is set to normal. You can have slow and fast, but that is how you change the voice on Claude. You got language, you got style, and you have speed. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.